If you are the type of person who turns off an alarm and goes right back to sleep, then it is time to change your alarm and you should try using this alarm app. With this app, turning off an alarm involves solving a puzzle or a maths problem, which is to ensure that you won't just roll over and fall back asleep. To get started, simply tap on this plus icon and then select alarm and then set the time that you want to wake up. You can then customize the alarm volume, choose a sound or adjust the snooze settings from the screen. But here is the interesting part. If you click on this plus icon in the mission tab, you can then choose a task that you must complete to silence the alarm. For instance, if you opt for a memory challenge, then you will be presented with a pattern to memorize and replicate. You can then set the difficulty of the pattern by moving this slider and then decide how many times you want to tackle the puzzle before turning off the alarm. Once you have set everything, hit complete to finalize your alarm settings. And if you want to see how it works, then simply tap on this preview button to get a preview of the alarm. After you complete your tasks and turn off the alarm, you will be then welcomed by a screen where you can catch up on the latest news. And this app also offers quick alarms which you can use when you are planning to take a quick nap. On top of all this app also tracks your sleep, thus adding even more value to your experience. Overall, Alarmy is an app that you should definitely try using. Another super useful app to have on your phone is Tooli, and this app has got a ton of really useful tools. Like under the unit converter tab, you can find a bunch of converters for any kind of unit that you can think of, and the app also has a bunch of randomizer tools like flip coin, random number generator or spin bottle, and it even has a lucky wheel for you to spin. And under the calculator section, you can find a bunch of calculators like discount calculator, commission calculator, age calculator, or calculators for calculating the area of 2D and 3D shapes. And on top of all this, you can find a bunch of text formatting tools under this tab, and by using the stylish font tool, you can type out text in different fonts, or by using the text to emoji tool, you can use emojis to type out words. And all of these tools are just the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot more useful tools like these under each of these tabs, which you should definitely check out. The next app on our list is Arc Browser, and this browser has been gaining popularity in recent times, and now it has been launched for Android devices as well. The browser has a really neat and easy to use interface. The Arc Browser also offers a built-in ad blocker service that significantly improves your browsing experience by getting rid of all the annoying pop-up ads, thus making it much easier to scroll through articles and websites. Another great feature is its ability to translate web pages with just a single tap, which means you don't have to download any extra plugins for translating the web page. But the standard feature of Arc Browser is its AI-powered browsing functionality. That is, once you enter your search query and if you tap on Browse for Me, then AI will generate a detailed summary of whatever you are searching for by pulling information from various websites. By using this feature, you can get a clear picture of whatever you are looking for very easily. Since we are on the subject of browsing the internet, and while browsing if you stumble upon interesting websites or articles, and if you want an easy way to save them for later, then Link Manager is an app that can help. Inside the app, simply tap on this plus sign and then paste the link to the article or website here and give it a name of your choice, and then hit the save link button to save it, and now you can find all your saved links easily under the home tab. And if you tap on this plus icon here, then you can create more folders, and by doing so, you can categorize all your links and make it easier to find them later on. For instance, if you come across several cooking recipes, then you can create a separate folder specifically for those recipe links. Similarly, you can put links to videos or podcasts that you would want to watch again later on in a separate folder so that you can easily find them when you want to watch it again. Speaking of podcasts, if you listen to a lot of podcasts or music on your phone, then this is an app that you must have. And with this app, you get a small button on your screen, and if you tap on it, then you can turn off your phone screen. But the music or podcast that you're listening to keeps running in the background. The name of the app is Black Screen, and just as the name suggests, the app places a black overlay over the app that is currently running. And you have the option to choose between a black overlay or apply this always on display as the overlay. And if you choose to apply the always on display, then you can customize the always on display from this screen. Many of you might be already familiar with the circle to search feature available on Samsung phones, which is a handy feature to have, but unfortunately it is exclusive to Samsung devices. But that's going to change, because if you download the circle to search app from the Play Store, then you can get the same exact feature on any Android phone, including older Samsung phones like this one. And the best part about this app is that there are no ads or paid subscriptions. So when you're using the circle to search feature, you may find a lot of new products, videos, reviews or articles that you would want to save so that you can come back to it sometime later. In this case, the Pixel Bookmark app is going to be a great app for you. Once you have installed the app, saving content is a breeze. Simply tap on the share button and then select this app, and that's it. You have now created a bookmark. And now when you open this app, you will be greeted with a neat and simple interface where all your bookmarks are organized neatly. And since these bookmarks has got thumbnails, It is very easy to spot what you're looking for. If you are in search of some cool widgets, then iWidget is a one-stop shop for it because it has got a large collection of widgets like these eye-catching clock widget that can be expanded to include a calendar, and you will also find some stylish weather widget and some handy widgets that can display your phone stats along with toggle buttons for functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, torch and cellular data. But the widget that caught my eye is this one that looks like a record player, and I also like this iPod widget, and both of them are music play widget. In addition to all these cool widgets, this app also offers a bunch of themes to customize your phone. You can easily download everything you need to recreate a theme like the wallpapers, icons and widgets directly from this app itself, and you don't have to download any supporting apps or launchers to recreate the theme. However, keep in mind that to unlock these elements you will have to watch a bunch of ads, or you can use these diamonds to unlock them, which you can either purchase or earn by doing these little tasks. And I have to say, iWidget is one of the best customization app to have on your phone. The next app on the list can be very helpful to anyone who is not very good at cooking and wishes to improve their cooking skills. Inside the app you can find a lot of recipes, and each one of them has got a difficulty indicator based on which you can easily choose a recipe that suits your skill level. Once you select a recipe, then you can view the list of ingredients, and when you're ready to start cooking, just tap the cook button to get detailed instructions along with high quality cinematic video instructions to follow along. These video instructions are incredibly detailed, making it easy to follow each step. They are also produced exceptionally well, which adds to the overall experience. And if you return to this screen, then you can adjust the number of servings you are preparing, and the ingredients quantity will be automatically updated. And if you tap on this button, then you can quickly create a shopping list for all the ingredients that you need to prepare the particular recipe. And just like everything these days, this app also has a built-in AI assistant so that you can ask all kinds of questions to it, but it will only answer to a question related to cooking. And this remarkable cooking app is called Creme. If you're looking for a great money management app, then this is the best one. Inside the app, first you need to enter a budget amount and then set a duration. Now the app will show you how much money you can spend each day to stay within the initial budget, and each time you spend money, just enter the amount into the app and add a tag so that you can easily keep track of your spending. With this app you can track your expenses either by using this pie chart or from the history tab, and the app also highlights your biggest spending. The app is called Buckwheat, and I am sure you will appreciate its clean and simple interface, and it has no annoying ads in it. If you are a fan of nothing fonts and their style of widgets, and if you want to get those widgets on your phone, then simply download the Something OS app. With this app you will get a whole bunch of nothing themed widgets, and I have to say these widgets look really nice, and the people who made these widgets have properly used the end dot font and the dot matrix style in these widgets. Plus the app is completely free from ads. While there is a pro version available that unlocks a few extra widgets, the free version provides all the essential features you need, so you wouldn't feel like you are missing out on anything important. If you are in search of a good wallpaper app where you don't have to pay a $50 subscription fee and still get HD resolution wallpapers for free, then Backdrops is a great choice. It offers a ton of high quality good looking wallpapers which you can easily apply by tapping here and choosing if you want to set it on your home screen or lock screen or on both the screens. The app has some ads and there is a pro version as well, but it costs around $4, which is fine because if you plan to just stick with the free version, then you won't be missing out on any important features. If you are a huge fan of driving games, then Drive is a game that you must try because it has got some pretty good graphics and a clean interface. And it is a simple game that has got a bunch of challenging game modes in it. The controls of the game are pretty easy to learn, making it a perfect choice for some casual gaming when you need to pass some time. The cars available in this game looks absolutely great, and there is a wide range of vehicles to choose from. So if you're that person who gets tired of playing the same game very easily, then Fancade is the best game for you because it has got a ton of different mini games inside it, like this game where you need to plan your moves and jump or swing on ropes to complete each level, or this game where you get a vehicle that you need to drive to the finish line through a track full of obstacles, and each mini game has got a bunch of different levels in it that gets harder as you go forward. And you can play this game either in portrait or in landscape mode. In this game, if you head over to the build tab, then you have the option to create your own mini games. The last app on our list is called GCPU, and with this app you can monitor every single aspect of your phone, like from the size of your phone's display to the temperature of the different parts of your phone. And by using this app you can also test your phone's hardware and sensors to see if it is working properly. This app also offers a couple of widgets which can be used to quickly analyze the status of your phone. And just like all the other apps mentioned in this video, this app also has a neat and clean interface and has no ads in it. And there you go, 15 Android apps that you should definitely try using. If you want to learn more about the hidden features on Samsung or Nothing phones, then check out these 2 videos here. And if you enjoyed this video, then drop a like and consider subscribing to this channel.